Hi everyone, with another video. I always try to bring the most easiest way in my channel for make it easy and simple because I know the theory, but most of the people sometimes they are thinking these videos are just like not possibility, or it's just like I don't want to use the another word, but yeah. But my target is to helping give a concept, an idea, and the most simple and easy video that everyone can do and not harmful to your mobile. This is the main key things in my video always. My all videos, if you notice, is simple and easy. It's not, and is one thing is not going to waste your money. Second thing, you not going to harm your mobile or any kind of thing. And the most simple thing also, the amazing thing is in that simple and easy condition. Sorry, this thing I want to talk because I noticed as my experience, people are still complain and they're not satisfied. I don't know if I have only one thing and I ask them to do this also they have question. I mean, this is micro or type C cable. This type C cable you can get it online. But sometimes I feel like people they ask the same questions: how to get a cable, how to get a magnets, how to get. I mean, this is a basic thing. Like we're living in this world, and everything is now online. So I will recommend you watch the video completely and very simple and easy method. As you can see here, for example, I will bring out first this already ready. I will show how I made it. This is type C cable here, as you can see. This is type C, standard type C, nothing special. All nowadays we have in our for our charging mobiles or even the power banks also, everywhere is type C. So I'm not, first I disconnect this and I will show you here. No internet connection, nothing. Okay, even the phone don't have SIM card. Okay, no service, and the phone is just normal mode, no airplane mode, nothing. Okay, here you can see Bluetooth is on, the color will blue. If I on location, color is blue. So close. Okay, so here you can see, and now I'm going to on, for example, Amazon or anything. Of course, skip sign in. Yeah, if you see, okay, background app, nothing, only one app here, and also close, no recent time. Again, open Amazon, and nothing here. For example, speed test, go to Google, speed test, speed. Even there is no recommendation. Speed T. Okay. As you can see, nothing found because no internet, right? So what I'm going to do, I will connect this my type C, and then we will see what happened. Okay. I connect. Now you see our cable is connected here already. Let me a little bit more zoom slightly. Okay, so everything in the frame now. Now you can see my cable is connected. We actually, internet is everywhere. We have to bypass the coding. So whatever the code, whatever the numbers, whatever the password, we call easy word is the password, right? If we can bypass, we just connect internet surrounding our city or anywhere. So now, okay, same apps, I connected my data cable here. This side is, I will show you, actually my previous video I have already this cable I used. I hope some people they will remember it. Okay, now as before I show you, and now I'm going to close, go to see on the background have two apps as you can see. Okay, like first app, and try again. 1 2 3 as I connected the cable. 1 2 3. You can see perfect working. Okay, simple. And again I want to show you here, no data, no internet, nothing. As you can see, no SIM card, no service, as message is coming here, everything as it is. And now I'm going to start again here, browsing some, click on some shopping thing, for example. What is this? Okay, you can see. Okay, now I'm going to back to my Google search. Last time I do speed test, I'm going to try again. Okay, 1 2 3, boom, thumbs up for that. As you can see now, the live speed. And yeah, so the speed can be up and down. There is no guarantee about the speed. I'm telling you first, might be it will be 50 MB. It depends on your connection. You get bypass from your Wi-Fi. Okay, so here's YouTube. Let's open my channel, test comparison, test COM already here, and you can see here my channel. Go to my channel here, and yeah, here's my channel, and here's the videos right here. If I will click on the video, I'm sure will ad run out, so I don't want to. Okay, let's try. I will close. So you can see quickly I just close because there's a ad, and there was an ad. So yeah, simple. Now I'm sure you all guys curious. I'm going to close this here, bring out this. Okay, so how I made it, this is the first thing. Of course, this is simple USB cable. This is type C area, but this USB cable, the good thing is they have already magnets. One side is here and one magnet is already here from the factory, from the company. So actually they will be closed like that. But what I do, I have one magnet here. This is small magnet here, as you can see, and here another magnet, two magnet, 1 mm thick and 5 mm diameter. Can be 6 7 also, can little bit bigger also. You can choose maximum 10 mm diameter magnet, but the thickness should be only 1 mm. 1 to 1.2 mm also can, or 1.5. So another thing, both side I will, you can see I put in the middle. Now I'm going to remove. As you can see, when I move this magnet also moves smoothly, so the both are strong magnets. And when I remove these magnets, okay, here I'm going to remove. So yeah, both magnets is here. Okay, and now the main part is our SIM card. Here is the SIM card, and here is our 4 terminal. If normal USB, you cannot do it like this because the terminals also hide, and if you put inside, you cannot be direct connection from the magnet. So this is the good thing with this type USB and type C. Or if your phone is might be micro, I think nowadays micro USB is almost finish. So mostly lightning cable also going to finish. So type C is the most common cable, and I try on type C, so I will recommend you type C. And the good thing is, as you can see, simple, two magnet, one SIM card can bypass your password. Very simple and easy. So the good thing is this type C have both side magnet and is passing from the cable to the connection. And now you can see it's closed automatically. Of course they not made it for this purpose, but I get it, I find out. But for them it's just the simple, I don't want to. So yeah, simple, easy. You can see when I bring near, automatically you can see, yeah, as you can see. So here's the video, and if you have any question you can ask, no problem, but I think it's the most simple easy way. I will make more video with this type C, and I will recommend you, this is only maybe $1 to $2. Magnets also $1 to $2. SIM card you can use old SIM card, but running SIM card, not the dead SIM card. At least have a network there. Don't have internet is no problem, but at least have network there. And any your phone with the type C connection, same thing, type C connection, slightly different, lightning cable is different, so it should be work with other connection, but I will recommend you this. See you, take care, thumbs up. So this video is free internet data Wi-Fi at home is concept idea, as I write in the start notice on my all videos. So hope you like it. See you in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to thumbs up.